developments from the Middle East, Egypt has announced its formal entry into a lawsuit filed by South Africa against Israel at the International Court of Justice. This lawsuit accuses Israel of breaching its obligations under the Genocide Convention in the Gaza Strip. While tensions escalate, Israeli military tanks have launched a new offensive in northern Gaza, specifically targeting the Jabalia refugee camp. Reports from our correspondent indicate that the offensive has forced thousands of Palestinians to flee their homes. This move comes months after Israel claimed to have dismantled Hamas in the area. Meanwhile, European Union has strongly condemned Israeli evacuation orders in eastern Rafah, leading to yet another wave of displacement with hundreds of thousands forced to flee once more. Amidst these conflicts, anti-government protests persist in Israel, demanding action to secure the release of captives. Tragically, the toll of the violence continues to mount. Since 7th October, at least 35,034 people have been killed and 78,755 wounded in Israeli attacks on Gaza. In recent developments, calm has returned to Muzaffarabad after violent clashes, following the withdrawal of rangers from Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The clashes erupted amidst a strike by activists of a rights movement, leaving one police official dead and over 90 injured. The movement, led by the Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee, demands cheaper electricity and an end to elite privileges. Despite their deployment, the Rangers were recalled as the situation eased. Former PM of AJK criticized the deployment as political theatre. Meanwhile, JAAC reiterated its peaceful stance, open to negotiation for public rights. PM Shehbaz Sharif urged negotiations with JAAC for resolution, emphasizing democratic principles. Transitioning to economic affairs, Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb emphasized the need for privatization, asserting that there were no such thing as strategic state-owned enterprises.
तो ये चीज़ें हम आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. And the third thing is SOE reforms. There is no such thing as strategic SOE. और ये मैं चूँकि खुद कैबिनेट कमेटी को चेयर कर रहा हूँ on SOEs. फ्राइडे को आपने देखा डार साहब ने जो मीटिंग चेयर की on the cabinet committee on privatization. We are absolutely on the same wavelength. कि there is no such thing as strategic SOE. तो कल ये जो मीटिंग होगी इंशाल्लाह दोपहर में we will go back to the various ministries and to say कि ये सब कुछ आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर के हवाले करें और इंशाल्लाह हम इसको इसी तरह आके लेके जाएंगे और इसमें पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप भी है वो भी होगी and we accelerate the privatization agenda.
He made these remarks at a pre-budget conference in Lahore, just days after Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar stated the government's intent to limit its business to strategic and essential SOEs, reducing their number from 40 after scrutiny.